Once you have Termux and Termux widget installed, you can then install Ziggle Wump Media Compressor to Termux. I have it in my movies folder right here, where you can see it near the bottom. I've already run it. At the top it has 3 folders, one called Video Converted, Video Drop, and Video Processing. If you don't see those videos, if you don't see those folders, Ziggle Wump will create them for you on the first launch. And here's how you use it. So you open up Termux, and you're going to want to do Termux -setup -storage. You're only going to want to do this the first time. I'll say yes. Sometimes it'll pop up, the first time it'll pop up with a button that you have to push to give it permissions. Then I go to CD storage, CD movies. Hit LS to list directory, and there it is right there. So you type in BASH, that's the interpreter, bash, Ziggle _wump.sh, and then I'll hit H for help, and this will show you all the things that you can do. But you want to install it. So I'm going to hit up to repeat what I posted before. I'm going to do the I flag. That's going to install it. So you can use ZWMC, and see how it says right here, it says 0 compatible files. And it tells you where to put it, and it tells you what files are supported. I don't know if all of those work, but most of them do. Now that it's installed, and if you have a widget, you can actually have a widget. I already have it set up, but you just click and hold and then hit widgets and go down to Termux widget, and there it is right there. You just click it, paste a widget right there, click the reload button if you need to, and it'll be right there. I'm going to remove that. Now all you have to do is click Ziggle Wump Media Compressor.sh, and you have a menu. These are the default options. You don't need to change them if you don't want to. I'm going to click cancel, enter to continue, go back in. I'm going to find a file, copy this one, paste it into Video Drop. That's an old log file. Come back out, hit Ziggle Wump, go down to compressed video file or compressed files, and click OK. And it'll automatically compress all of your video files in that folder. You can put them in folders if you want. You just wait until it's done, and you'll have a file that's already there. Well, it's not done yet. So I go out, check the video converted folder, and there it is right there on the right hand side. I'll click it. Oh, reload the page, click it. There it is.
I name you the Om of Fire.
So that's it. it's done, it'll look something like this. You scroll up a little bit and you can see right here, whoa, you can see right here where it tells you the kilobits per second. I set it to 688 plus 96. It came out a little high, but that's because the video is very saturated with data. It's a very high compression. Here is the magic command. You could pause on that if you want to inspect it. Press enter to continue. And your video drop folder will be empty except for a conversion.log file. Down here it'll tell you pretty much everything. And then there's the original in the video processing folder. You can keep that there while you compare it to the new one.
As long as I have friends on this journey who need me, I'll continue to serve them as the Soul Guard. I'm in charge of my own destiny.
And there you have it.